I'm very pleased to be working on this Digit project because it follows on very nicely from previous work that I've done. So it's looking at digital communications in rural areas and how digital communications can be used to revitalise rural areas in various ways. So there's various ways in which digital communications are particularly important for rural areas. One of them is because there's a lot of elderly people in rural areas, so health and social care work or services can be provided for older people in rural areas if they're not near to main urban centres and hospitals and so on. So that's one reason. The second reason is there's lots of cultural industries in rural areas which can be better connected. Thirdly, the people can work remotely in rural areas. They don't have to go into urban centres. That saves a lot of commuting. But a lot of people do work remotely in rural areas, but therefore digital communications are very important for them. I think there's a number of possible beneficiaries from this kind of work. So first of all, rural industries include agricultural industries and the diversification of agricultural industries into tourism. And tourism is a really, really important industry in rural areas, and that depends very much on digital communications for booking systems, for people finding out information, people going on tours, for example. So tourism, agricultural industries, they're both very dependent on this kind of digital communications, and the way in which they're working has been transformed by new kinds of digital platforms. Both very traditional industries and very new ones are very much impacted by these kinds of changes.